Hey everyone, today we are in Cibolo, Texas at a model home that is now for sale. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We're going to tour it. Let me know what you think. All of the pricing details will be in the description below. Okay, so with the model home, of course, all this nice landscaping will be included with the sale. Some nice pavers as you enter into the home. Now, right where these windows are in the front, this will be where the garage will be. So those windows unfortunately won't stay. But as we go into the house, we see that it does have a porch area, and it is met with an 8-foot door as you enter. Okay, so upon entry of the home, we have a nice foyer. And off of the foyer is the first bedroom. Now, one thing that will stay with the home is the window treatment. So it does come with the shutters and the curtains that will be staying. I'm going to check out this closet. Okay, nice walk-in closet. Okay, and right off of that bedroom is your first full bathroom. So these shower curtains will stay, which match that tile beautifully. And we have a linen closet right in front. Okay, front door. Oh, and we do have a chandelier and a window up top. Now this is where your garage will be. So this door will be blocked. Right now they're using it for their office space. So we won't go in there because that will be your 3-car garage. Okay, so as we move along, we have the laundry room. And these appliances will be staying. And we also have mudroom area, the desk. So before we go upstairs, we're going to tour the kitchen and the primary bedroom that is downstairs. So all of these cabinets, these built-in cabinets, will be staying with the home. Has light that is included as well, the nice recessed lighting, and the TVs will be staying as well. So you get to keep the TVs. There's one downstairs and then there's another one upstairs. Along with the curtains in the living room area. The island. It's a nice seating area for 3 bar stools. And we have a farm style sink, dishwasher, and the cabinets with the light. Okay, the refrigerator, which is by Frigidaire, will be included as well. Let's look at the pantry. And we do have hardwood flooring throughout the first floor. So we're going to tour the primary bedroom, go outside, and then we will go upstairs. So a little bit about the incentives for this home. They will be linked in the description below. We are located, like I said, in Cibolo, Texas. We're about 10 minutes from Randolph Air Force Base. So if you are relocating there, then this is very close to the base. Okay, we have our double vanities with the tile flooring, closet. So there's area right here. All of the IT equipment is right here, including with this house, the surround sound will come with the home, and also you have the security systems with the Ring doorbell camera that will be included as well. So we have a walk-in shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. It's pretty much the same design as the floor for the tile. And this is our powder room. It has a nice blue accent wall. Yeah, the great thing about buying a model home is, yeah, you get it exactly with all the upgrades, all the added features. And the best part of that, well, to me, the best part is the landscaping, because you get all the cool things. You don't have to worry about paying for that. So it's all included. Steps that walk down, and you have a fire pit, and this area right here, if you want to add your pool right there, you can. Actually, let's go around and see how big this yard really is. Okay. So now we're going to tour the upstairs, the second floor. Okay, and underneath the stairs, we have another storage area. And we have a nice accent wall. So this is the second TV that I was telling you that will be included in this home. We have a nice look over. And we're gonna tour the final 2 bedrooms. Again, those curtains right there are included. And the closet. If you are relocating to San Antonio, I would invite you to check out my relocations guide that will be linked in the description below as well. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me through calling. You can link my calendar link, will be linked in the description as well. So if you want to schedule a call, then we can do that as well. So we have the Jack and Jill bathroom, and does come with the linen closet. Okay, and not sure if you can see that, but the cabinet was a nice deep dark blue color. Okay, we're going to check out the closets. So if you have any questions on this home, definitely reach out to me. It is still available. So if you're interested, I can be reached at 830-369-1776. Thank you for watching.